Hello students, welcome to grammar class. In this video, we'll see about the adverbs of time already, still and yet. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happened, but also for how long and how often. Now we'll see the adverbs of time already. Already is used to show surprise about things that have happened earlier than we expected. Example, we already knew that he was coming to visit. His family had already heard the news. Now we'll see the correct word order. Adverb of time already should be placed before the main verb. Example, I already know that he has passed the exam. If there is an auxiliary verb and a main verb, then the adverb already should be placed in between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. Example, she was already cooking dinner when her friend arrived. If a be form verb functions as a main verb in a sentence, then the adverb should be placed after the be verb. That is, Misha is already here, so we can begin. It can also be used at the end of a sentence for more emphasis. For example, they have sold their house already. Now we'll see about the adverbs of time still. Still expresses continuity. It says that something continues or does not continue to happen. Example, Jill might still want some. Are you still here? Now we'll see the correct order for adverbs of time still. If there is an auxiliary verb and a main verb, then the adverb still comes in between it. She is still waiting for you. If the be form verb functions as a main verb, then adverb comes after the be form verb. That is, I am still hungry. In questions, still is placed before the main verb. Example, do you still work in Mesco Airlines? Here, this is an yes or no type question, so it is starting with an auxiliary verb. Now we'll see about the adverbs of time yet. Yet is used to refer to a time which starts in the past and continues up to the present. Yet is used to indicate that something that has not happened is expected to happen. Example, Kim has not seen the film yet. The letter has not reached my father. Now we'll see where to place yet in a sentence. At the end of a negative sentence. Example, she hasn't told us yet. At the end of a question, haven't you reached yet? Yet can also be placed after not. Example, they have not yet submitted the homework. Thanks for watching.